Day 11. Words, sun, moon, star, sky, rain. Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to Brain Up Kids, where learning is always fun. Today is day 11 of our word learning series, and we will learn about the beautiful sky. Word 1, sun. S-U-N. Sun. Good. Say it with me. S-U-N. Sun. Meaning the bright light in the sky during the day. Action. Make a big circle with your hands above your head. Sentence. The sun gives us light and heat. Word 2. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Spell it. M-O-O-N. Moon. Meaning the white round shape in the sky at night. Action. Make a crescent shape with your fingers. Sentence. The moon shines in the night sky. Word 3. Star. S-T-A-R. Star. Good. Spell it. S-T-A-R. Star. Meaning tiny lights in the night sky. Action. Twinkle your fingers like little stars. Sentence. Stars twinkle at night. Word 4. Sky. S-K-Y. Sky. Good. Spell it. S-K-Y. Sky. Meaning the big space above us. Action. Point your finger up high. Sentence. The sky is blue in the daytime. Word 5. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Good. Spell it. R-A-I-N. Rain. Meaning water drops that fall from the sky. Action. Wiggle your fingers down like raindrops. Sentence. I like to play in the rain. Now it's a story time. One morning, the sun was shining brightly. At night, the moon and the stars came out. The whole sky looked beautiful. Suddenly, the rain started falling and everyone ran to play. Good job, kids! Today, we learned 5 new words: sun, moon, star, sky, rain. Say them with me one more time. Sun, moon, star, sky, rain. Fantastic learning! Practice these words at home with your parents. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brain Up Kids for more fun learning every day. Press the bell icon so you never miss a new video.